Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia Rio 4 2017 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. This version for Europe. Okay, this is head unit. It can come with harness and parts. Okay, first let me introduce harness set first. Okay. This special harness for Kia Rio. You can check this special connector for Kia Rio. And it comes with USB. This AUX input left and right, and this connects to our back head unit. This MP 12 voltage, this reserve camera, this K2 for steering wheel controls, this brake-in is do not need to connect. Okay. It comes with the installed part. You can check this left and this right, and this screws. Okay. You can check this comes with remote controller and radio antenna, external microphone, this camera input, RCA type, is connected back of head unit. Okay, this is original USB. And this audio cable is connected to our back head unit. This subwoofer, this video out 2 and video out 1. This video out, this audio out, AUX output, left and right, front and rear as RCA type. Okay, this connect back of head unit. This video input. This AUX input left and right. Okay, let me show head unit. Okay, you can check the side. Okay. Let me show the back. You can check this GPS antenna, LAN cable. This GPS connector already connected. This is USB cable. There are two USB cables on back. This is USB 1 and USB 2. This is external microphone. Okay, this is long cable, you can check. And this radio antenna, this Wi-Fi antenna is connected for audio and other cable. This power, this is fuse. Okay. Let me connect power 12 voltage. Okay, you can check head unit startup. Please take out this screw protector before using. Our radio already puts the protector on the screw. Okay, you can check head unit started. You can adjust the brightness, and you also long press to change wallpaper. This supports live wallpaper. And wallpaper image. Okay, there is the card slot. Reset home, microphone, its power and volume. This already built-in microphone, and this home button, it's mute, it's radio, it's knob, can check. Okay, this radio, and click this search button to get the radio stations. It's time and data and time. You can update GPS or network like Wi-Fi. Connect to Wi-Fi, it updates automatically. Okay, let me check it's built-in DSP amplifier. Easy connection for Mirrorlink. And this Bluetooth is streaming music from Bluetooth. It's built in Google Maps. You can download the applications from Play Store and built-in Google Map. It's the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Settings button machine, you can check the MCU variant, CPU octa-core, memory size 4 GB, model is PX5 octa-core, Android version Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me back. Let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB, RAM 64 GB, RAM 4 GB. Okay. And built-in Wi-Fi, support 4G LTE modem. you need to this modem, this ZT 4G LTE modem. You can check LTE USB modem and put the SIM card. Put the SIM card to connect the 4G. Okay. Car settings, person settings, LED settings. You can change this button color with green, blue, orange, any color you can adjust. Okay, let me choose the red. Person settings, it autoplay music, USB and SD card, power and AC delay. And navigation settings, you can set Google Maps, Search, Waze here, and other navigation. Driver settings, reserve volume, you can turn on or turn off this watch video. And the rear ruler tracking display X mirroring, it supports steering wheel controls. Our all head unit supports steering wheel controls. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.